Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are back with Moto G. So today we'll understand what are the new feature in the Moto G's newest update, that is 4.4.4. So let's go to settings and let's check what's the updated. Although I have updated my phone, so if you can see, the latest Android version is 4.4.4 on my phone. What is the change in this version? If you see the dialer has been a little bit changed, and if you see, it is completely different from the previous one, and it is a little bit flashy, a little bit colorful. It is a little bit colorful than the previous dialer screen. Also, if you see, if you call a number, there is a new feature in this which is based on call history. For example, if I dial a number and if I choose a SIM which I wanted to call from, the next time when I would dial a number, it will show me based on, it will automatically dial the number from that location, and it will say me based on the call history. So although it's a good feature which makes you not to choose the SIM every time, and the preferred SIM is chosen based on the call history you have made. So there's one more feature in the Moto G introduced in 4.4.4, which is alert. So if you go to alert, so it is a very good software for people who want to be in touch with their family in case of danger, which sends your location information to your selected numbers. So if you see, there are three tabs: meet me, emergency, and follow me. So if you select on emergency, it will started notifying the numbers whom I have selected or set up as my emergency contacts. So if I go home and if I say people, these are the people whom I have selected as an emergency contact. So at the moment I say click on emergency, it will send my location info as well as a text which is specified by me that I am in danger, etc., etc. So that can be done. So setting the text can be done from settings. The text can be entered here: I'm in danger, etc. Location update history, you can choose how many minutes you wanted to update your location. The emergency number, automated actions, what you want to call the emergency contact, or you want to sound an alarm or don't sound an alarm, etc. Now notify the new emergency contacts. So if you select this, then always ask before notifying has been added. There is also a feature called meet me, where you can send the text and the location. If your location setting is on, my location setting has been off, so I am not able to view it. But if my location setting would have been on, then I could have sent the text to these people with my location. So these are the recipients which I have added, and the moment I say send, it will send my location. Then there is a follow me, which is sends your current location to selected people at specified intervals. So if I write a text here, follow me at this location, follow me at that location, and the recipients are selected similarly like previous, and the location update would be sent every 5 minutes. So that is new in Android 4.4.4, which you need to take care of. This is a good feature for women security as well as parents who are worried about their children, and they can switch it on and they can get a good idea about and peacefully sit and relax at home. Apart from this, I don't see a major change, but what I noticed while navigation is like when I was using Google Maps with GPS on, my phone goes hot. What I feel is this is a bug in the 4.4.4 for Moto G, as the moment you use your GPS navigation even for 15 minutes, then also it gets heated up and it's very hot. You can feel the difference, although it was not in the earlier version of Android 4.4.3, but this time it's been there. So hope the Motorola guys fix it. Our next video would be how to save battery, how to get a better performance from Moto G. So keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.